The electrician is back to install the downlights. This creates a dramatic change in the room when compared with the old oyster lights, which didn't illuminate the space. While the electrician is finishing up, the estimator from Stone Effect arrives to measure the bench tops. The process is very precise with the help of technology.
So basically what I'm doing is just a digital templating. It shoots within about 1 millimetre of 2. So it's pretty accurate. This machine basically plots from this point. So it takes the shape of everything I've got, walls, cabinets, internals, the whole lot. And then after that I just detail the drawing. So it's offsets and overhangs, but it makes life a lot easier. I will go home now, have a look at the drawings, detail it, put some information on there, colours, sinks, draw all that in, and then I just email it straight through to the office. Then the office will actually download it onto their machinery, and from the machinery it just goes straight into production. Within 20 minutes of me sending it, it could be on the saw being cut.
This morning the flooring guy came out and said that because the tiles have now been removed, there's more of a gap underneath the skirting boards than he'd allowed for. So if we wanted to sort of like get a really nice finish, it was going to cost to be able to add the extra screed to bring the floor level up. So I went down to Bunnings and I bought a nail gun and some tools, and I very carefully took all of the skirting boards off of the walls and proceeded to de-nail them, trim all the glue off of them, clean out behind where the skirting board was of any sort of tile glue and things like that. And then I gently nailed every skirting board back into its original position, except only about 3/4 of a centimetre lower, and it certainly saved us an awful lot of money.
With the skirting boards lowered, the painters arrive the next day to get to work. And within 4 hours, the ceiling is painted.
The space looks really coherent now. It's been great just watching the whole build from the initial rip out, and the space is really starting to come together into what we envisaged that it could become. And they've just done such a good job.